Aqara wireless remote switch, single rocker. Aqara wireless remote switch, single rocker is a remote control switch with low energy consumption and standard Type 86 industrial design. You can control smart wall switch, smart plug, and other smart accessories with single press, double press, or long press on the wireless remote switch. Remove the insulation tab.
Please open the Mi Home app. Press the plus to enter Add Device page and press the Household Security. Select the Aqara wireless remote switch, single rocker.
If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
Press and hold the button for more than 10 seconds.
Until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release.
when hearing the hub voice prompt,
Child device connected.
the accessory is added to the app successfully.
After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Mi Home app or in the Apple Home app.
Quick press the button 5 times at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Option 1. Place it directly in the desired location. Option 2. Remove the protective film and stick it to the desired location. Prepare a new CR2032 battery. Prepare a slotted screwdriver, hold the wireless remote switch, single rocker, in your hand and insert the screwdriver into a slot at the bottom of the switch and gently lift the back cover from the wireless remote switch, single rocker. Remove the existing battery by hand. Place the new button cell battery in the battery slot and make sure that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the back cover to the wireless remote switch, single rocker, and press firmly, making sure the back cover is locked in place. The battery cover is successfully attached.